everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're kind of in a vlog style video. It's gonna be a what I eat in a day. I haven't done one of these in a really long time, but I know it's literally one of my most requested videos. And now that I'm back home and I'm kind of on my healthy eating kick, I want to show you guys what I eat in a day. Just a little disclaimer, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a nutritionist, I don't have the most perfect diet, but this is just what works for me. For those of you guys that don't know, I had VSG about 2.5 years ago, 3 years ago, so I eat accordingly to what my stomach size is. Everybody's stomach is different, you guys. Everyone has different diets. I don't need like the whole like, oh my god, I can't believe you can eat that much, or like you're not eating the right amount of macros. This is just what I do. It works for me. And one last thing before we get into this video, I'm not gonna do like the whole fancy what I eat in a day. If you watch my last one, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I do a very like vlog style, very casual, kind of show you guys how I make the stuff. So with all that being said, I present you what I eat in a day. So it is currently about, I'm sorry that the lighting is kind of off, but whatever. It's currently like 1 o'clock. I'm having a super duper late like breakfast brunch situation because I had woken up a little late today, and by the time I drank my coffee and I kind of let that settle, it's 1 o'clock. So my breakfast changes all the time, and I'm gonna be doing a lot of my what I eat in a day so you guys can see the different types of breakfasts that I have. But today I decided I'm gonna do eggs with like some type of protein, cheese, and peppers. So I'll show you guys everything that I use. So here is what is on my breakfast menu today. I'm gonna be having some eggs, and I'm gonna be mixing some peppers, some cheese, and then this is just like a Russian ham. I live in like a very how can I say, diverse community, neighborhood, so I can get stuff like this very easily. If you don't have like a Russian deli by you, you could use any type of deli meat. I like to often use turkey, I use bacon sometimes, but this is just what I have today. It's called Tambovsky, and it's just like a very nicely marbled ham, and it tastes really good with eggs, so I'm gonna go ahead and cook that up. Totally forgot to say this, but I'm also going to be adding some salsa. I would prefer to use like a fresh pico de gallo, but this is just what we have today. It's like a medium salsa by the brand Sabra. I just like to add that into my eggs. It gives like a really nice tomatoey taste, and it also has garlic and onion and all that good stuff. So I just add my eggs into this. I told you guys this isn't going to be fancy. And then I just let that cook a little bit. That is 2 eggs, by the way. I added salt, I added pepper, and then I add back in my toppings like omelet style. This is really hard to do one-handed, so please bear with me. So here's my omelet. I know it doesn't look the best, but like I told you guys, by the way, that Sprite is not mine, so do not come for me. Here's my omelet. I know it doesn't look amazing, but it does the trick. It has a bunch of protein in it because we have 2 eggs, we have ham, there's also some cheese in there. I don't really log my macros anymore, but I'm sure this is protein filled, so I'm gonna get to eating this right now. Okay guys, so it is currently about 4 o'clock, super late for lunch, I know, but is this zoomed? Yeah, it was, sorry. But I started my day late, which means that everything is gonna kind of spiral in that direction. I'm not that hungry, and I don't know why. Usually by this time I'd be super hungry, but I am still gonna eat because I need to get my protein in. It's so vital to get my protein in because I feel like that's the only way that I lose weight. I will not lose weight unless I have a lot of protein in my system. So I'm gonna be making like a little bit of a chicken stir fry situation. I'm not gonna eat that much of it because like I said, not super hungry, but I'll show you guys what I'm gonna be eating. So a little bit of a situation that I have going on here. So I have some fresh organic chicken breast, and then I have some peppers, some broccoli, and then I have some like hoisin sauce, some of this chili sauce, and then some cauliflower that is about to go bad. It kind of is going bad. I need to use that ASAP. And then I have this situation going on. So I personally don't like to eat frozen like prepackaged stuff when I'm on a diet, but I noticed that there are some of these like things in here, like there's onions and garlic and all that stuff. So I am going to be using this just to mix in with my chicken. It's just like a quick way because I don't have any frozen vegetables, which is so shocking because I always have frozen vegetables. But I'm just going to be cutting all this up, throw it in the pan, stir fry it, and just eat it as is. So yeah. Oops. So here's the finished product, you guys. It's super simple to make. I know it's not anything fancy, but it tastes really good. And to season it, I did salt, pepper, some garlic hoisin sauce, and you can add soy sauce if you want. I try to stay away from soy sauce because it has a lot of salt. Everything has a lot of salt, but yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably eat half of this and save the other half for later on, or maybe even tomorrow. This really refrigerates super well. So yeah. Okay guys, so it is currently 8 p.m. and we are ready to make some dinner. I just got back from grocery shopping. I went and I picked up some staples I used to really like whenever I was doing like my really healthy eating, and I was pretty surprised that there are so many more options now. I know it's only been like a year, but like there are just so many different things now. So I actually ended up picking up, I'm going to be making flat out pizzas for dinner tonight. So I didn't realize, excuse the fact that I have meat here defrosting. I didn't even realize that they had the flat out pizza crust now. Maybe I did and I forgot, but I was happy to see this. So I got the flat out artesian thin pizza crust. I got some fresh mozzarella. I got some pasta sauce, pepperoni, mushroom. Clearly I'm building a pizza here, guys. So whenever I was not dieting, but when I first got VSG, I loved the flat out pizza. So that's exactly what I'm gonna make right now, and I'll show you guys me putting it all together and also obviously the final result. I'm just gonna open up my pasta sauce. I know this is like a what I eat in a day, but you guys always ask me like, how do you make it? Like, yeah, you're making it, but like you don't show us how. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make everything. Not everything, but just like a small idea of how I make it. I apologize about my bird. I know he's really loud, really annoying. But yeah, I'm just using this pasta sauce. Is a little watery for my taste, but it's okay. You live and you learn. Next up, I'm gonna take my fresh mozzarella. This is really good if you like that creamy mozzarella flavor. You could also get just the shredded kind. I like both, honestly, but today I was in the mood for some fresh mozzarella, so that's what we're going with. And the great thing about these pizza flatbreads is you could literally make any type of pizza. Like tomorrow I'll probably make like a Hawaiian style pizza because I also purchased some pineapple, but today I'm just going classic pepperoni. And I just literally tear these apart. I might have gotten too much. So here is what the pizza looks like with all the veggies on top of it. I did obviously sauce, cheese, pepperoni, and then the veggies on top. I added mushroom and some peppers just for color, and now I'm gonna throw it in the oven at 400 degrees for like, honestly, I don't even know how much, probably 10 minutes depending on when the veggies are ready. So I'll show you guys the finished product. Okay guys, so here's the finished pizza. Looks really good, and it's super low carb and very high protein. I know it's a little bit oily, but honestly it's okay sometimes to treat yourself. So I'm gonna dig into this pizza. I'm probably gonna have half and then save the half for tomorrow or later on tonight. Alright guys, for my last meal of the day, well not meal but snack, I'm going to be eating this Luna bar. It's the s'mores flavor. I've been eating this for years now. It just, I don't know, it's something that I like to do at night. I don't do it every single night, but on days where I haven't had a lot to eat and I could fit it into my calories, I will have a little bit of this Luna bar, and it has 8 grams of protein. It is kind of high in sugar and calories, but you know, you got to just treat yourself sometimes. So yeah, I'm going to be having that, and that is pretty much it. Alright you guys, so that is it. I'm sorry that my hair is literally so bad. I just got out of the shower. That is it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this what I eat in a day. Like I said, please refer to the disclaimer in the beginning of the video. I don't claim to know everything about nutrition. I definitely don't know much about nutrition. I'm just showing you guys what I eat and what works for me. So before you change anything in your diet, especially if you've had gastric sleeve, please consult your doctor, your surgeon, or whatever. Please like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!